Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here again with a quick unboxing of the ZTE Axon M. So just received this from FedEx. Ordered it out on Amazon the other day. It was down to $127, and I've been following Jay Will's coverage and some others of this device, and they say it's totally unlocked, and that's what it showed on Amazon. So I thought it was time I see what this is all about. So let's get it opened up. So you can see it's ZTE Axon M. Of course, it's dual screen, and this is just going to be a quick unboxing. And I'm going to pop my SIM card in there to make sure it works with my T-Mobile SIM, and we'll see how it goes. Got it backwards. It says TV mode is waiting for you. Set up TV mode and launch DirecTV. I don't think so. The box says it can wait. Distracted driving is never okay. Kind of like that. So let's peel this off. Peel it off on the back. Let's see how it opens up. Okay, that's the back. Let's turn it around. And there's the front. All our buttons are on the left. Up top, we've got an earphone jack, microphone. On the bottom, our USB Type-C in. And it looks like our speakers. On the left, we've got a power button, a volume up and down. Here's our SIM tray, and not sure what this is yet. We'll take a look. Let's see if we've got some power. Kicking off with the ZTE logo, powered by Android. And you can see the camera and flash up here. Looks like a speaker grill up here. Nice little animation. Okay, we've got some power, an AT&T logo. So there's our welcome screen. Again, TV mode is waiting for you, because I'll be on T-Mobile, not AT&T, assuming it is unlocked. So I'm going to get this set up and I'll get back to you. Pretty cool. It's very different from me. I'm going to finish letting this thing download all the apps, and I'll move on with it. So just wanted to show you this quick unboxing, let you see what it's like, and I'll be certainly learning a lot of things with this phone. So as always, thanks for watching. Comments are welcome.
Yeah.